Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I made my first sale on Gumroad without spending a single dollar. No ads, no email list, no fancy tech, just a free product, some hustle, and a smart strategy. If you're thinking about selling digital products online but feel stuck because of your budget, this video is 100% for you. Stick around to the end because I'll share my full step-by-step game plan and the one mistake I almost made that could have cost me that sale. If you're new here, this is the Digital Income Channel, and I teach you how to build digital products and earn passive income without needing a huge following or big budget. In today's video, I'm walking you through how I made my very first sale on Gumroad with literally $0 in marketing spend. No paid ads, no email list, no fancy gear. Just a free tool, a simple product, and a smart launch strategy that anyone can copy. Whether you're trying to make your first dollar online or launch your own product hustle, you're going to want to take notes on this one, because I'm sharing everything. So first, let's talk about what I actually sold. I created a e.g. Notion-based planner, social media calendar, Canva template pack, digital checklist, simple ebook. The idea came from a problem I personally faced. Share quick backstory, e.g. I couldn't stay organized, couldn't find a good free template, etc. I made the entire product in Canva and Google Docs, both 100% free, no design experience needed. I focused on one thing only, solving a real small problem for a specific type of person. Pro tip, you don't need to create a massive product. People buy simplicity and clarity. A product that saves time, organizes a process, or solves a pain point can be worth way more than you think. My product was short, actionable, and easy to use. That's all it needed to be. Once the product was done, I uploaded it to Gumroad.com. If you've never used Gumroad, it's a super beginner-friendly platform that lets you sell digital files with no upfront cost. I chose a simple, clear product name, wrote a short description using keywords people might search for, like printable planner or social media content calendar, and added a few product mock-ups using Canva Smart Mockups, also free. I priced it at $5. That's low enough for people to buy impulsively, but high enough to signal value. Don't overthink pricing in the beginning. The goal is to build momentum and prove that people want what you're offering. Marketing with zero. Now here's the part you're probably wondering about. How did I actually get people to find and buy it without running ads or having followers? I use 3 main organic strategies, and all of them are free. 1. Reddit. I went to niche subreddits related to my product, like productivity, small business, or Notion templates. I answered questions, shared tips, and eventually dropped a value-packed post saying something like, "Hey, I created this free/affordable tool to help with problem. Here's the link if it helps anyone." People were curious. Some clicked. One person bought. 2 Twitter likes. I posted short, punchy tweets like, then I replied to my own tweet with a quick visual or walkthrough. That combo gets attention, especially if you use hashtags strategically. 3. TikTok. I made a 15-second video showing the product in action. A quick scroll of the template, a voiceover explaining what it does, and a CTA like, link in bio to grab it. That one video got me about 200 views. But one of those views became my first sale. Reminder, you don't need thousands of views or followers. You need the right people to see the right offer. That's how you win without spending money. A few hours after I posted on Reddit and Twitter, I got the email. You just made a sale. That $5 was more exciting than any paycheck I've ever gotten. Why? Because it proved I could create value online, and someone was willing to pay for it. I didn't need a team. I didn't need ads. I didn't even need a website. Just a useful product and a way to get it in front of people. Now, let me share the biggest mistake I almost made: waiting too long to launch. I spent weeks trying to make it perfect, but perfection is a trap. The sooner you launch, the sooner you get real feedback, real customers, and real momentum. So if you're still hesitating, take this as your sign. Start today. Create something simple. Upload it to Gumroad. Share it where your audience already hangs out. And if you need help, I've got you. Hit that like button, subscribe for more digital product and passive income tutorials, and drop a comment telling me, what's your first product going to be? I read every comment and would love to support you on your journey.